Is your Instagram password safe? Today, we're gonna find out. No, the answer is no. I'm not even gonna fuck around. The answer is no. Welcome back to Get Your Shit Seen, the channel that helps you, your brand, your business grow with creative marketing and social media. Now today's a really interesting video because we're going to be going over the top ways to protect your account, but not only that, I'm going to give you the definition and the explanation of why so many Instagram accounts are getting hacked into, and we're going to get into the mind of these Instagram hackers and go over the methods that they actually use. So once we understand that, we're going to be able to better protect our accounts. Now, before we get into that, make sure you're like and subscribe to the fastest growing Instagram growth digital marketing channel on YouTube. Like and subscribe, and remember, follow me on Instagram at bobby.krieger if you have any questions on Instagram growth. All you have to do is follow me, like my last 3 photos, then my DMs are open to you. You support me, I support you. Ready? Let's get into how these hackers are hacking your Instagram accounts. All right, so there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube of how to protect your Instagram account, but not many of them go into how hackers actually get into your Instagram account. So to best get into these people's minds and protect our account, let's go over some of the most popular ways people hack Instagram accounts. Now, the first one is phishing. So what phishing essentially is trying to bait somebody into giving you up their password. Now you may be thinking, I'm never gonna give up my Instagram password, so this doesn't affect you. It's a lot trickier than it seems. So phishing could be sending somebody a link to their Instagram DMs, being something like, hey, are you looking for Instagram verification? I can get you verified on Instagram for like $10. And you're thinking, wow, that's cool. And then next thing you know, you're giving up your password. It can also be sites like, hey, I'm gonna grow your Instagram account. And next thing you know, you're giving up your password and then they're stealing it. So phishing is the most popular way to hack into someone's Instagram account. Now the next thing is called a brute force attack. Now what a brute force attack is a program that what it does is it guesses your password. So somewhere out there, there's a computer program or software that you could probably buy in the deep dark web, and what it will do is it will take a large list of like 1 million combinations of different Instagram passwords and essentially guess your password 7 times, switch an IP, guess it 7 times again, switch an IP, and then keep guessing until eventually your password is fucked and your account is broken into. Now, the next way that people hack into Instagram accounts is just by guessing. Now, you wouldn't believe it, but trust me, as somebody that grows multiple Instagram accounts for many people use really bad Instagram passwords. I'm talking about passwords like peanut butter and password, straight terrible names for Instagram passwords. So here's what I want you guys to do. Comment below what you think is the most commonly used Instagram password, and we'll pick one person from the comments for a free month of our rapid Instagram program. All right, so the last thing that people use to hack into Instagram accounts is faking their information. So for example, if you are, say, a fashion company called, I don't know, Lighter Clothing, what somebody will do is they'll make another Instagram account called Lighter Clothing and then send an email to Facebook support saying that these people stole your username, and they'll fake documentation saying that, hey, look, I have a Shopify store named Lighter Clothing. Hey, look, you know, I have a picture of, you know, documentation, stuff like that, and they'll fake the information. So this is a really tricky route. So now that we understand all of these ways that people use to break into your account, let's talk about how we can start to protect your account so none of these things happen to you, because Instagram is the most important social platform of 2018 going on. This platform is gonna help you grow your business, stand out, get you jobs, all those things. So we do not want people just coming in and taking what we have and reselling it on the deep web or anything like that. So let's go over how to protect your account. All right, so the first way to protect your Instagram account is by putting on 2-factor. So what this does is every time you log into your Instagram or somebody new logs into your Instagram account, it's gonna ask for a secondary password. This is really important. Not a lot of people do it, even though everybody knows about it. So all you have to do, go to your Instagram account, go to settings on the right side, click that open, and then go to privacy and security, go all the way down, and then enable 2-factor authentication. All right, the next thing you can do to protect your Instagram account is just choose a solid password with special characters. Now, I know it's really hard to consistently log in with all these special characters and these unique names, but as you see, a brute force attack can easily break into any Instagram account that has a simple password. So that's like things like your name. So for example, Bobby123, easily guessable. Your last name, 123, your address, these are all things that brute force attacks easily break into. So make sure you're choosing special characters, because believe it or not, there are people that specialize in just breaking in and guessing your password incredibly easily. Now, the last thing is the one that most people don't know about. Make sure that your account is connected to Facebook. So right now, if your Instagram account gets stolen or somebody jacks it, there's nothing that you can do about it besides contact Facebook. So what you'll do is then contact Facebook and then let them know that your account was stolen. And the only way they could prove that is that if your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook page. So I'll be making a new video on how to get your Facebook account back, because it's something that I've done many times for my clients. But for now, just make sure that your account is connected to Facebook, because that's the only way to get your account back in the event that it is stolen or jacked. So that's it for today's video. Just a really quick video on the mindset of scammers and how people break into Instagram accounts and how you can protect it. So if you have an Instagram account that's like 4 letters or 5 letters, you may be getting your account broken into all the time, or you may not be getting your account, suspiciously hacked into or any suspicious activity, but it's always best to keep your account safe. So make sure you're liked and subscribed to Get Your Shit Seen, the fastest growing Instagram growth channel out there. If you like this video, we post daily growth tips for you and your Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bobby.Krieger. I'll see you guys next time.